How's it going, everyone? I'm going to walk you through two trades we caught during the live today, both on NQ. We was trading MNQ, but we like to watch the NQ chart. Anyways, let's just get right with it. First off, we kind of chopped around, had a pretty good move up off the opening candle here, as you can see. We chopped around, my indicator confirmed a bounce here, made a decent move up off that. I didn't take this trade. One reason being, the reason I didn't enter longs here was this dashboard was showing a bearish divergence and VIX was confirming. So it was telling me, now's not the time to take longs. I ended up taking a short entry. Now, let me tell you what I saw. It wasn't a massive trade or anything, but it worked out well. A risk was defined. So we finally got this high volume candle here, which not crazy high volume, but it did, had higher volume than the previous. We closed below VWAP, below pre-market low. I want to see a retracement back up. I was trying to get in this around the 90s. For some reason, I did get a bad feel. Got in this trade, set my stop loss right here above this candle. I should say the higher volume candle. It wasn't a crazy amount of volume. My risk was defined. We ended up catching this move down here before it came back up and hit our stops at our entry, right? So this was a winning trade with risk defined. I was trying to confirm another bearish divergence here, but VIX hasn't confirmed yet. Now let's talk about the second trade I took. So we see here, let me see what my settings are on this orb range. Okay, good. So we finally broke out of the range here, got the close above this 15-minute range. Grizzology confirmed the retest here, but my entry was right here. So I waited on a retracement of, and I got in longs here. I was aiming for a 1-to-1 for a first trim. It worked out pretty good. We got a nice trim off. I messed up on this trade though, and there's no hiding it. I trade live with thousands of people. What I did, I meant to adjust my position size when I was trimming on Tradeovate, and I sold my entire position at the first trim, but that's on me. Anyways, our final price target was right up here around this previous week low. As you can see, if you didn't mess up like I did, you got in this, made money, made more money than myself. My stop loss on this trade was this point of control. As you can see here, it was clearly our volume-based resistance until we got the close here. We came back, retested it nearly perfectly. So basically, I was keeping my stop at the bottom of this candle wick here and that point of control. I know it's hard to, cover every little detail. So if you feel like I missed something, always feel free to reach out to me. I'll do my best to answer it, or just join my lives. I go live every morning at market open and trade with you all. So appreciate you all for watching, and I will see you next time.